How to sell high-ticket products and services. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about something that has the potential to change your life and your business forever. And I mean that. Because when you learn how to sell high-ticket products and services, you step into a whole new level of financial success, personal confidence, and business mastery. This isn't just about making more money, it's about creating a business that serves people at the highest level, solves real problems, and positions you as an expert in your field. Now, I want you to understand something right off the bat. Selling high-ticket items is not about luck. It's not about having a fancy degree or knowing the right people. It's about strategy, mindset, and execution. If you follow what I'm about to teach you, you will see results. You just have to take action. So, let's dive in. The mindset of selling high ticket. Before we even talk about strategies and techniques, let's talk about the most important thing: your mindset. Selling high ticket products is not like selling cheap, low-cost items. It requires confidence, belief in your product, and the ability to convey its true value. Think about this: if you don't believe in your product, why would anyone else? If you hesitate when you say the price, your customers will hesitate too. Imagine walking into a luxury car dealership, and the salesperson is unsure about whether the car is really worth the price. Would you buy it? No way. People buy confidence. They buy certainty. They buy the feeling that this is the best decision they can make. So, before you even try to sell, ask yourself, do I truly believe in what I'm offering? If the answer is anything less than a firm yes, then you need to work on that first. Understanding your ideal customer. High-ticket buyers are different from regular customers. They are not looking for the cheapest option. They are looking for the best option. They care about results, quality, and exclusivity. Let's say you're selling a high-end fitness coaching program. Your ideal customer isn't the person who just wants to lose a couple of pounds and find the cheapest gym membership. No, your ideal client is someone who values their health at the highest level, someone who is willing to pay a premium for the best results, the best trainer, and the best experience. So, ask yourself, who is my ideal customer? What do they want? What keeps them up at night? The better you understand them, the easier it will be to sell to them. Positioning yourself as the expert. People buy from experts. They buy from those they trust. If you want to sell high-ticket products, you need to position yourself as the authority in your space. This means creating valuable content, sharing testimonials, showcasing case studies, and consistently demonstrating your expertise. Think about it: if you had to undergo life-changing surgery, would you want a random doctor or the best specialist in the field? High-ticket buyers think the same way. They want the best, and it's your job to show them that you are the best. One simple way to position yourself is by sharing your success stories. If you've helped someone achieve a major result, share it. If you've created a transformation for a client, highlight it. Social proof is one of the most powerful tools in high-ticket sales. Creating a high-value offer. Now, let's talk about your offer. A high-ticket product or service isn't just about slapping a big price tag on something. It has to be valuable. It has to solve a big problem. And it has to feel exclusive. Let's go back to our fitness coaching example. If you want to charge premium prices, your program should not just include workout plans. It should include customized nutrition guidance, one-on-one coaching, mindset training, accountability, and maybe even exclusive events or retreats. The more value you pack into your offer, the easier it will be to sell at a high price. Here's a simple formula for a high-value offer. Transformation over features. Focus on what your product or service will do for the customer, not just what it includes. Exclusive bonuses. Add things that make your offer feel even more valuable. Limited availability. People value what is rare. If your offer is always available, it loses its appeal. Mastering the high-ticket sales process. Selling high-ticket is different from selling low-ticket. It's not about pushing people into a purchase. It's about guiding them through a decision-making process that feels right for them. Here's a detailed step-by-step process. Step 1. Attract the right audience. Use content, social media, and ads to reach people who are interested in high-value solutions. Your goal here is to create awareness and establish credibility. You need to be seen as the expert who provides real solutions to big problems. Step 2. Engage with value. Before you ask someone to buy, you must first give them something valuable. This could be in the form of educational content, free webinars, case studies, or testimonials that demonstrate the power of your product or service. The more value you provide upfront, the more trust you build. Step 3. Book a call or meeting. Unlike low-ticket items that can be sold through a simple checkout process, high-ticket sales often require direct conversations. A sales call or in-person meeting allows you to understand your prospect's needs deeply and tailor your offer to them. Step 4. Ask the right questions. This is where you dig deep. Instead of simply pitching your offer, focus on learning about your potential client. What challenges are they facing? What solutions have they tried before? What is their ultimate goal? The more you understand their pain points, the better you can position your offer as the best solution. Step 5. Present your offer with confidence. Now that you understand their needs, it's time to introduce your product or service as the perfect solution. Show them the transformation they will experience. Use clear, compelling language and avoid being overly technical. People buy outcomes, not features. Step 6. Handle objections with certainty. Expect resistance. Common objections include price concerns, timing issues, and hesitation about making a commitment. Address these objections by reinforcing the value of your offer. Help them see the long-term benefits and the cost of inaction. Step 7. Close the sale with clarity. Instead of applying high-pressure tactics, focus on guiding your prospect toward a confident yes. Summarize their problems, restate the benefits of your solution, and reassure them that they are making the right decision. If necessary, offer flexible payment options to make the purchase easier. The key is to focus on their needs, not on the sale itself. If you do this right, they will convince themselves to buy. Now, I want you to take everything you've learned today and start applying it. Selling high-ticket products is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. Start by refining your offer, understanding your customer, and building your confidence. Remember, the biggest difference between those who succeed and those who don't is simple: action. So go out there and make it happen. Your success is waiting for you.